Welcome to NPM Tech. Survival gadgets every man should have. Catula's K10 Crampons. Catula's K10 Crampons are winter hiking crampons designed for shoes with flexible soles ranging from trail runners to soft-soled insulated hiking boots. Featuring a flexible leaf string and superlight chromoly steel, the K10 crampons weigh just 21 ounces per pair, with burly 3/4 inch long crampon teeth. While the K10s are crampons, they don't require any special training or footwear to use like a more traditional mountaineering or ice climbing crampon. Spica Strike Gaiter. The Strike Gaiter has been designed and tested to protect you from the strike of common Australian snakes. Built from heavy-duty PU-bonded canvas, this contoured armor covers your entire lower leg and harnesses your boots, leaving nothing exposed. The gaiters are also completely adjustable, featuring a 4-way closure system with wires included. For minimized risk and the peace of mind to explore further, arm yourself with the Strike Gaiter. Survival Torch Fire Starter. At Prepared 4X, created patented survival torch to be a head above the rest, for the highest quality function and design you'll find on the market. Made with premium quality ferrocerium, this fire starter instantly produces a shower of glowing sparks with a single strike, guided directly to the wick by curved steel striker for a strong, immediate flame to light your tinder, kindling, or hot coal fire. XTAD. XTAD is a first-in-kind hemostatic device for the treatment of gunshot and shrapnel wounds. XTAD works by injecting small, rapidly expanding sponges into a wound cavity using a syringe-like applicator. XTAD is the only injectable wound treatment that immediately controls hemorrhage from penetrating wounds where other methods fail, applies in seconds and stops bleeding immediately without manual compression. Bivy. Made out of ultra-lightweight heat-echo reflective polyester film, this thermal survival blanket sleeping bag weighs just 4.8 ounces. It also compresses into a tiny oversized stuffed sack, so you can reuse and carry this emergency sleeping bag with your survival kit everywhere you go. Use as a sleeping bag liner and raise your body temperature by 20 degrees. Thank you, and don't forget subscribe, like and share.